Welcome to my channel. Today we're making some dumplings. I already have a video of me showing you guys how I normally mix this dumpling and everything. So what I'm doing is just making just this dumpling alone with some chicken stew. So I'm showing you guys. As I was mentioning before, this is some dumplings. As I show you guys, I just showing you what I'm making for today. I want you to see the ending product, how it look when I finish. But I already have a video of me showing you guys how I make this dumpling. But I will still put the ingredients in the description bar below. Alright? This is some. I'm placing it in a milk, coconut milk. I'm boiling this in some coconut milk. When everything finished, I'm going to show you this. One pot with share dumplings. This dumpling will be eaten with some chicken stew, which I already finished making, and also I will give you the ingredients to that. But I already have several videos with chicken stew, so stay tuned. When you finish dropping all of these dumplings in the pot, you will cover it down for a good 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, and then raise it back up. You want to make sure so it cook right through. But alright.
Where are you coming from?
I heard you again.
I'm not cursing.
Look at it. Big and fluffy. And I must tell you that in order to, when you're making this, you must season up the water so you can be able to get a little taste, you know. I'm going to leave it for 2 more minutes. Normally you don't open this pot. Stay tuned. This is the stew that I make. And I put some corn in it. This is what it looks like when it finished. Stew chicken with some dumpling. Yummy. As I said before, I put the ingredients in the description bar of how I make the dumpling. Mix it, what I put in it, and the chicken stew with the corn. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and give this video a thumbs up. I'm going to show you guys that I'm going to be digging into this now. I'll let you guys see. Stay tuned. I'm going to put some pepper on this food here.
You
Woo.
need to kill him. Kill him. Kill him. Kill him. This blue. Kill him.
And then I'm gonna, I like the gravy so that you can eat it, soak it inside. Soft.
No, don't kill me. Don't take my love. Anybody don't take. Anybody
The
take my
taste
love.
is coconut and this.
Mine. Come on.
Mm-hmm.
Go, go, go.
Along with the nice pepper sauce.
He's trying to kill me. Who's trying to kill me? Yeah. Get her.
I can eat out only one of this. I'll show you guys. Now, soft and tender and fluffy.
This one's just take my
Oh,
Oh, this
the
one.
pepper.
Oh, you have to die. Oh. Don't forget about it. You're not white.
Or the gravy soaking into the duff. Tasted more real nice, you know. See? Ooh.
I need that store.
And the corn have fiber.
This freaking
Soft and nice too. And I cook this corn in the stew. So it's chicken stew with corn
You wanna go to my well?
and the dumpling.
You wanna go to my well?
Delicious.
Love eggs in there.
What I'm gonna do,
Hey, hey, hey.
I'm gonna do a next video.
Babble,
And next time,
babble,
I'm gonna show you the
babble,
whole process.
babble. Sugar show. Ah,
And this corn here is give the stew a kick.
it's a
You know?
sugar show.
Sweet corn.
Sugar show. Don't that's something. Stop, stop.
chicken. The pepper. Ooh. Can't get nothing more south than this. Oh God.
I want to go.
Nice.
Yeah, I want to go. I want to go. Yeah.
When you're making this dumpling here, you have to cover it down for a good 15 to 20 minutes and make sure that it cook in and out. And sometimes it raises up big and fluffy, but yet still it don't cook properly inside. Oh, excuse me. So you have to make sure that it cook both in and out. So you're gonna make sure. So when you take one out, just to make sure you just cut it and see that it cooks inside before you decide to, well, you know, it finish, you know. And I'm telling you, this chicken stew with this dumpling here is the bar. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. This is Cooking with Edith. You can share this video. You could tell your friend about these videos or my channel. Right? And you could also press the bell that every time that I post, you will be able to get a notification. Alright? Thank you, thank you, thank you. Love you guys. See you in the next video. Peace.